Let's say you have your SketchUp model of your interior design project and you go and you export some views like this from a corner of the room and you think it doesn't look very nice compared to what you were imagining. Well, how do we go from this to something like this? So in this video, we'll see how to really quickly get much better looking scenes from your SketchUp model that you can use for presentations. So first thing, obviously open your model and decide where you want to get a view and what you want the view to capture. Now I'm going to hide the ceiling so I can see into the model. I want to show a view looking towards the living space from this corner. Now let's turn on section planes, and I'm going to create a new section plane that cuts through where I would want the camera to be positioned. So I wanted to cut through that corner at the back of the space. And activate the section plane by double clicking on it if it's not already activated. Right click align view to make the current view align with that section plane. Now let's change the field of view to something a bit more natural so it's not as distorted. And we'll also change the camera height to a more realistic human eye height. Now I'll zoom in very slightly until I'm happy with the view angle. And now let's go into Shadows toolbar and click Use Sun for shading. And now you get this much nicer, lighter drawing effect, shading of the textures in your model. And I think this really helps lighten and lift your interior scene. Now in the Styles tray, I'm going to make sure that profiles are turned on and have a thickness of 1. And I'm now going to adjust the darkness of our lines to more of a dark grey instead of a pure black. This will make the image feel a bit softer than the very heavy dark lines that you often get in your SketchUp views. Now once we're happy with this view, let's go ahead and export as a JPEG. Do note that you need to export to a high enough resolution so that the image doesn't appear pixelated or blurry. So if you're going to be presenting this on screen, probably 3,000 or 4,000 pixels width is fine. You may want to go higher if you're planning to print it at a large size. Now in Photoshop, we'll simply crop out the parts of the section cut that we don't want to see so that we end up with just the perimeter of this space in our view. And now what this means is we'll go from having an image that looks like a section cut to one that actually looks like you're standing in the space. You can either save the image as this or you can crop to the extents. And that's our image. And so you can go from something like this to an image such as this, which I think looks much, much better for a presentation. If this was useful, please do give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.